Looking to improve efficiency in your government facility? Here's how vending machines can make a big difference. With teams working around the clock, especially in emergency services and transport, access to snacks and drinks anytime is essential. Venda's vending machines deliver exactly that, 24/7. They reduce downtime by keeping staff on site during breaks, and with no cost for installation or servicing, it's completely hassle-free. We handle everything, stocking, maintenance, and machine monitoring, so your team can focus on what matters. From council offices to public service centers, our machines also serve the community, offering secure, contactless access for visitors. And the best part? Your facility earns commission on every sale. Boost staff satisfaction, support operational flow, and save valuable time. Get your free vending machine from Venda today.